बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers. Welcome back to my channel. This is all about ideas. Signing in. And I am going to share with you a most beautiful and incredible and very amazing stone painting ideas. This is super easy craft work for you guys, and it's very amazing craft work for you guys, especially for beginners and for kids who love to paint. That is the most suitable craft for those peoples. You guys decorate your homes or garden or anything with these stone pebble painting ideas. If you are new on my channel, if you are new member of our family, then firstly subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are super easy and super unique pebble stone painting ideas for you guys. I hope so guys you like this video. If you like this video, then you hit the like button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. Keep subscribing my channel, keep watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel These are super amazing and super easy pebble stone painting ideas for you guys. Always think positive, always be positive. These are very unique and very amazing ideas for you guys. Take care, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.